It may not be a negotiated term. The terms of the plea agreement, or of the plea agreement, what I'm asking for now, Your Honor, in terms of the delayed sentence. The allegations that John Disco, Timothy Turkelson, and Kalen Wilson are under investigation by the Michigan State Police, Sergeant Pendergraft assigned, that's incorrect. The allegations against John Disco was closed as unfounded. They found there was no perjury there. Timothy Turkelson and Kalen Wilson were never investigated. In fact, when the defense alleged that Ms. Wilson forged a document, their own forensic examiner said the document was probably not signed by Byron Konschuh. Yet the state police did their own investigation. An oral report from MSP said it was inconclusive. Yet in this memorandum, once again, Kalen Wilson is referred to as a forger, John Disco as a perjurer, Timothy Turkelson as biased and a liar. And that is not appropriate pleading, Your Honor.
So you're defending him here. I think you should have let me go first. And the reason I say that is because I think I wanted to give Finnegan, prosecutor Finnegan, credit for her coming to terms with this case and doing the right thing. She may have her opinion as to whether or not she would have succeeded in trial. We have ours. We could talk about the evidence, the lack thereof. Both of us have opinions on that. None of that today is worth mentioning. I think she deserves credit for dismissing 5 felony counts. It was not an easy decision for her to make. She did the right thing. I respect that. I want to read a quote that I think is important here. In any moment of decision, the best thing you can do is the right thing. The next best thing is the wrong thing. And the worst thing you can do is nothing. That's Theodore Roosevelt. I mean that sincerely. And I take offense to the 8-paragraph unsigned letter we now know has been signed by the commissioners. And I mean that sincerely. And you've read my memo on the delay, you read my memo on the restitution, and I know you've read my memo on the apology. This case is over. And that's the most compelling argument I can make. This case is over, and it's time to move forward. This community here is all here, I suspect, for Konschuh. We support him. The community has his back. And again, it's time to move forward.
Easy. I don't always agree with everything and all the decisions she made, but I do respect the fact that she took the special appointment. It's not something the prosecutor going to do. I don't thank the court for taking the special appointment to sit in this case. Again, it's not something all judges are willing to do. Primarily, all I want to say is I want to thank my family. My family stood behind me. My wife has gone through all this with me. She hasn't understood it all. Try to explain the facts in the law. Things don't go the way the facts in the law, as I interpret them, should have gone. But she's been behind me 100% all the way. I love my family, I love my friends, I love the community. I have been a community servant and provided community service throughout my entire career. Been a public servant for over 30 years. It's my passion, it's what I do. The community has supported me in return for me supporting them. Never doubted my intentions in this case. The actions that I took that landed me here are certainly things that my goal was, again, to support police officers, victims, witnesses, my staff, and the community at large.